So I've been a thief, I'm paying back. I've walked without clothes, I've been kept by a girl. I'm not working for you, trade or you suffer.
For those who don't know, you introduce yourself.
Hakuna mtu anijui, lakini mbona unatumia kichana?
Well, it's what we call authenticity.
Sawa. Tuendelee sasa. Hakuna mtu anijui.
Okay.
Young, rich and famous.
Oh, the young, rich and famous.
Yeah.
Is that the mindset, the motto, or just you?
That is me.
Okay.
Yes.
So since you've said you are young, rich and famous,
yeah,
how do you define wealth?
I'm not wealthy, so I cannot define whatever I've not achieved in life. But I know becoming wealthy is when you have attained the kingdom of God.
Yeah.
Yes.
So besides that, is there anything else that you focus on in life?
No. I'm chasing the kingdom of God alone. Yes.
So in terms of materials, can you call yourself successful?
Of course I am. I'm not calling myself successful. I am successful. Yes.
Since you've majored into Forex trading, what's one of the biggest loss that you've ever encountered over the years?
Bro, ni mingi hadi nimechoka. Nowadays I lose money until I cannot calculate anymore. I lose money. 20-30 million Kenyan shillings. I lose. Yes.
So if you even lose 30 million Kenyan shillings, that's enough amount to start a business. What keeps you going and still majoring into Forex trading?
Who told you I don't have businesses? How do you know that I don't have a lot of businesses running? You see, Forex is one of the major businesses I'm doing. Or rather, it's my main source of income. You understand? Yeah. So I go to invest where I'm making money from. Making losses doesn't mean that I'm not making profits on the other end.
Despite the losses, you still focus on it?
Yes, I still make money. Crazy profits, unbelievable ones actually. Yes.
Have you ever been broke in your life?
Super broke. Bro, I've been a street kid. I've done mjengo earning 300 shillings a day. I've begged in the streets of Nairobi to be given 20 shillings for food. I've been kept by a girl in a small bed sitter. I've walked without clothes. So I've been a thief. So you understand, I've been super broke. Yes.
And how did you overcome that situation?
I prayed God and told him that I want to attain the kingdom of God. And when I prayed God, he said in the Bible that whoever asks in faith will receive. And I received. Yes, all other things have been added unto me. Yes.
Assuming a young aspiring Forex trader wants to come into the market right now, they think that just coming with a large amount of money can make them rich. Is that the case, or what should they do?
Thing is, let me tell you something. Trading is more about the skill and majorly about capital. These two things go hand in hand. There is no way you're making money from trading if you don't have the skill. On the other hand, there is no way you're making money from trading if you're not willing to risk. You understand? So, if there is a young person who wanna get into the market, I'd say, let them first identify ways to be able to come up with capital before getting to the trading itself. Because can I promise you something? Even $10,000 won't make you rich in trading. Today, let's say you have $10,000, you're gonna become rich from trading. It's never going to happen. You must have a continuous, or rather a repetitive source of income that keeps on funding your trading. In case of losses, you are able to go back to the markets again and be able to recover something. You understand? So you must have a flow of income, or rather a flow of capital for you to fund your trading.
And what's the least amount a person should have in order to start trading?
There is nothing like the least amount a person should have. I have big traders who are my friends who even fund $1,000, they flip to $2,000, $3,000. There is no small money in trading, and there is no much money in trading. Risk what you can afford to lose. Yes.
So no risk, no gain.
No risk, no gain. No risk, no Ferrari, bro. Yeah.
Oh, one last thing. There's a video I saw that you broke your phone. What was the cause of that?
It's peanuts. Sometimes you see some people drink alcohol, some people buy women, some people, we spend our money in different ways. You understand? So those are things that now make me happy.
Where? Breaking a phone?
Yeah, for me it makes me feel like, I've done something that made me happy.
Instead of breaking the phone, why don't you give me the phone instead?
Let me tell you something. I'm not working for you. There is one thing I need to clarify. I'm not working for anybody. Sometime back in life, I used to borrow a phone from a neighbor so that I could be able to maybe shoot a video or something. You understand? So right now, I'm paying back the pain, or rather, nalipiza. Una get like, niko na ile uchungu for the suffering I had at that particular time. So if I do stuff to make myself feel like I'm okay, I'm relaxed, then cool. Yeah.
Any last thing to our generation especially, or people who are just having financial struggles?
My brother, is either you trade or you suffer. Yes. There is no secret in life, bro. Go get the money. Whenever you have the money, you'll be walking and people will be following you. You see? You see? So, the most important thing in life, as long as it's worldly, you chase the bag.
And put God first.
As long as it's earthly, chase the bag. God, we don't discuss about God when it comes to earthly matters. Yeah.
Okay. I appreciate for your time. Thank you so much.